Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with backup camera ready, outside kitchen refrigerator, solar power prep, outside storage, electric awning, LED exterior lighting, double step entry, flip down travel rack, outside shower, outside speakers, spare tire, stabilizer jacks, overhead storage, interior speakers, mini blinds, windows at each bunk, booth dinette, queen size bed, dual lights over headboard, range hood with exhaust fan and light, bathroom toilet, entry grab handle, carbon monoxide detector, front bedroom, detachable power cord, USB charging station, overhead kitchen storage, bathroom tub shower combo, stainless sink. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.